Hey guys, welcome to ZoloBlocks. In this tutorial video, we will review the details of the CSS Filters extension. As an extension of ZoloBlocks, you can find the button to turn it on under the ZoloBlocks Extensions tab, inside your WordPress dashboard. You just have to turn on the button and the feature will activate. The way the CSS filters work is amazing. They add a menu for your media files, especially images, where you can use several options to enhance the image. So, for instance, you may choose an image for your landing page, and you will find the CSS Filters option under the Style tab. Clicking on this option allows you to customize the blur level, brightness, contrast, saturation, and hue of the image. It's like a pack of Photoshop-like image enhancements within WordPress. So you can tweak the controls to change the image properties just like that. And the best thing, the option is available on the hover menu as well, so you can create hover effects with it. And let me tell you, this unlocks so many creative ways you can use this feature. Additionally, you can enjoy the CSS Filters feature for your Google Maps as well. There you go, creating unique map experiences for your audience, and that's how you do it with the powerful CSS Filters by ZoloBlocks. There are many styles you can adopt to make your content stand out. Feel free to explore with ZoloBlocks. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with ZoloBlocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon.